Probably the best thing about working at Bil-Jax, like I say, we have tremendous people at work here, and a lot of people have been here for a while, and it's a good working environment. But one thing about it, what I've learned, and no matter what position I was ever here at Bil-Jax, you never have 2 days that are exactly the same. So there's always variety. You never know what you're going to run into, and it's just, there's really challenges in this business that you don't see in other businesses. It's a unique animal unto itself. There's really nothing else out there like it, and that's what's fun, is the challenge of it, and again, the people.
This place keeps you busy constantly. You get out of one job, you're into another job. So I mean, you don't get much, like downtime between it, which is good, because everybody around here runs on a schedule. If you want to progress and learn as much as you can in this company, they will let you.
I've been at Bil-Jax for about 16 years now. I started at scaffolding on the paint line. I did the paint line and scaffolding for 15 years, but I like physical work myself. I just like coming to work. I really don't have a problem to come to work here.
I started out in scaffold fab. I worked my way to AWP production line. Now I'm in parts and service.
We do have people that come in and they'll stay in one op if they choose to. I'm a person who likes to learn a bunch of different things. I will continue to go and learn. I like to work hard, keep up with everything. So if you want to learn something and you let them know, they will put you in that op. They'll tell the person, hey, you need to train this person. Do what they can to let you learn it.
Welding, I have somebody either training with you, or if it's lower stuff, I'll have them in the next bay over where you could just go over and talk or whatever, question.
The work environment and culture here, I feel, is very diverse, which is good. We have a lot of diversity from age groups to nationalities, and I think everyone really works well together, and it really gives people a chance to learn how other people think in other areas of the world as well.
I love the people. We have a great group of people. It's not a task to come to work every day, so it's nice.
The quality of people here is really nice. We have a wide variety. We have everything from welders to paint line to people coming in that are right out of high school, don't really know a whole lot about hydraulics and stuff, and we're teaching them everything. It's all hands-on training, and 4 to 6 weeks they'll have a really good grasp of how to build a machine.
I like my work environment. I enjoy my job. It doesn't feel like a burden to get up to come to work for me. And the versatility that I have, I really enjoy it. So I was trained up from the bottom, and it was very good training and led me to where I am today.
We have a great benefit package along with our wages. We have insurance benefits, health, dental, and vision starting on day one. After you are here 90 days, you will be eligible for our 401k, where we match up to 4.5%. And we also have a company-paid life insurance policy, short-term disability, and long-term disability. And along with that, we also have paid time off, paid holidays, and tuition reimbursement as well.
I would highly recommend working at Bil-Jax. Tremendous company, lots of room for growth, lots of different opportunities. You can find out whether you want to weld, fabricate, work in the paint booth, as far as the powder coat line, shipping, receiving. There's a lot of opportunities, and it's a matter of what do you want to do, where do you want to go. Bil-Jax, it is a case of the sky's really the limit.